the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide. Now this, it literally seems like it's Samsung's iPhone Fold competitor. So we've seen the rumors for the iPhone Fold. And the reason I say this is because according to Android headlines, we're going to have a wider foldable that's going to be like the Google Pixel Fold or say the Oppo Find N2, which are more like book-style foldables. Codename for this is supposedly H8, and it's going to be announced alongside the Z Fold 8. Now, specs-wise, we are going to be looking at similar specs to the Z Fold 8. So, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, likely a 5,000 milliamp hour capacity for the battery and 45 watts charging. However, this will now have a 5.4-inch cover display and a 7.6-inch inner display. Dimension-wise, it's obviously going to be wider, both when it's closed and it's open, but it's not going to be as tall as the Fold 7. The other thing that we're seeing on these leaked renders is that we're going to have a dual camera setup, not a triple camera setup. So this is going to be similar to the S25 Edge, where you've got an ultra-wide as well as a primary. And pricing apparently is going to be very similar to the Z Fold 8, around $2,000. And the reason for this, once again, is because Apple is expected to be pricing the iPhone Fold around the same time. So what this looks like to me is that obviously we've all seen the iPhone Fold rumors, which we've covered in previous episodes. And Samsung were like, okay, we've got our regular foldable, but we need something that's going to go head to head with the iPhone Fold, right? More of a book style foldable, should we say, slightly smaller with a wider screen and a wider front screen as well. And this seems to be Samsung's answer to the iPhone Fold.
Now you listed the specs, right? The two things that jump at me is the dual camera and not the triple camera setup.
Yep.
That's the first thing. The second thing is also, this is rumors. So there's no mention of the S Pen support, right? We don't know if there is or isn't. And there isn't talk about crease, but I think the crease will be the same just because it's supposed to go against the iPhone Fold. So I think that part is fine. But to me, it's the S Pen support and the camera. Like, even if it didn't have the S Pen support, but that triple camera system, to me, is a little bit more important. And I feel like this is where Samsung needs to not match Apple, but actually separate itself from Apple. They've been in this game for the longest time. And yeah, I'm actually glad they want to bring out a book style foldable and just tell people, look, if you want a standard phone style foldable or book style, there's no compromise. They're both the same. It's just your choice. Because once you give us that one lens is missing, just one lens. This is Android ecosystem. This is not Apple, where Apple users are very different. They look at it differently. I know a lot of people. I know a lot of, iPhone, like pro users who are like, I kind of like the iPhone Air. I'm like, really? You use more cameras than that? What are you talking about? But they just catch the feelings, right?
Yeah.
But Android ecosystem, we don't do that. Give us everything and just give us the choice of, do you want it tall or do you want it wide? That is my only distinction here. And if it stays this way, to answer my own question, I think I'll go with the regular Fold.
Okay. So here's the thing. Obviously, these are early leaks, so things may change because I agree with you. If you're offering a foldable that matches the iPhone Fold, but you're offering additional things like an additional camera, maybe S Pen support, then that really makes it stand out a little bit more. And it makes it an easier choice for somebody who's looking for those things. Now, this is my guess right now, based on what we're seeing with the renders. If Samsung is going for this, where they're going for a dual camera, maybe they're going to lower the price, right? So maybe their tactics is going to be that, hey, look, you can get something that does everything that the iPhone Fold does, but you're going to get it for a lower price, maybe $300 less or $250 less. So instead of the $2,000 price mark, it's going to be around $1,750, maybe. I don't know. That's just a guess, maybe. Because that would make it a little bit more acceptable to have one less camera for the same price. Because otherwise, you'd just be like, why not just go for the Fold 8? Why go for this wide option, right? Unless you wanted something specifically. But Samsung does tend to do this, right? We've seen the iPhone Air. As soon as we had rumors for the iPhone Air, the S25 Edge came out before that, right? So it's like, slide it before that. had the additional camera, etc., tried to go. It wasn't as thin, but this is what they try to do, right? They try to like kind of, all right, let's move in before that. And if this is the case, if it's around July, August time, then it would come in directly before the iPhone, and then you've got a direct competitor. But then I agree with you. I'm trying to think of what gives it the edge. No pun intended.
Yeah, I mean, and speaking of the Edge, to me, the Edge provided more than the Air. Edge, other than the thinness, which honestly they are very close. It's not like it was a full millimeter away. It was like sub
Point
sub millimeters,
some X millimeter.
point whatever, right? So they were basically the same thickness, but Samsung offered more cameras, bigger battery, and also dual speakers, right? So there was more with the Edge than the Air. And I would expect the same thing here is that, give us more, because if that's going to have two cameras, you already have a 3-camera module. It's the same module, right? On the device.
Yeah.
Supply it. Just do that. But again, it's rumors, so we don't know
exactly
if that's the case or not. Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed that clip. If you want to hear the full podcast episode, then that will be linked down below. And if you want to see more clips like this, then be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss them.